Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into one of the most powerful functions in Excel, Hlookup. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, understanding how to use Hlookup effectively can save your time and efforts when working with large datasets. So let's get started with our comprehensive guide on how to use Hlookup in Excel.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
First thing first, let's start with the basics. Hlookup stands for horizontal lookup. It's a powerful function in the Excel that allows you to search for a specific value in the first row of the table or range and retrieve a corresponding value for a row below that matches the criteria. Hlookup can be game changer when working with complex spreadsheets, especially when you need the exact information based on the specific conditions. Now that we understand the purpose of Hlookup, let's take a look at its syntax and arguments. The basic syntax of Hlookup consists of four basic things: the lookup value, table array, row index number, and the range lookup. The lookup value is actually the value that you want to search for within the first row of the table. Table array is the range of cells that represents the entire table or range where you want to perform the lookup. Row index number is the row number within the table from which you want to retrieve the data. And the range lookup is an optional argument that determines whether you want an exact match or an approximate match. Now let's explore the power of Hlookup. I am giving you an example of 5-year sales report. We have different sales merchant and their data for different years is arranged in this table. If we want to find out the data of the first sales merchant, that is Ali, and we want to find his sales in 2022, so the formula will be equal H lookup bracket start the cell, that is J4, then comma, then we have to select the table array, then comma, and now we have to select the row number, and the row number is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 2022 is the 6th row in this table array. So we have to write 6 over here, then comma, and then the range lookup value, and for the false we will put 0 over here because we want an exact match. Then we close the brackets and press enter, and we get the sales of the Ali in the year 2022. Similarly, if we want to calculate his sales in 2021, then again we will write equal, write H lookup bracket start, then the cell, that is J4, comma, the table array, and then again comma, the row number this time will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for 2021 we write 5, then comma, and now we have to write the range lookup. For exact match we will write 0 and bracket is closed and we put the enter. So this is how you can apply this formula on this 5-year sales report and get your results. For example, if now I change the name from Ali to Ahmed and then search for the data, so I can search the sales of the Ahmed in these 3 years. And if I change the name from Ahmed to Maya, then again the numbers are changed. So I suggest you to take your formulas on small scale before applying them to the large data set. This will help you to identify and correct if you have any issue in your formulas, and this is the reason that I am applying this formula on the small scale so that you can understand it very easily. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to use Hlookup in Excel. We have covered the basics, then we covered the syntax of the formula, and then we apply it on practical examples. We also learned how to handle the errors and shared some helpful tips with you. Now it's time for you to put your new knowledge into practice. Previously, I have also made a video on how to use VLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel. I am giving the link of that video so that you can also explore it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks and tutorials. Feel free to leave any question or suggestion in the comments below. Let's optimize your Excel skills together.